What's the meaning of Armenia? Armenia. Armenia.
Armenia. Armenia. Armenia is a landlocked country in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia. Its name is derived from the ancient kingdom of Ararat, which was located in the same region. The name Armenia has various interpretations, the most common being, land of the people of Aram. Aram was a biblical figure and patriarch of the Arameans, an ancient Semitic-speaking people. Armenia has a rich history and culture, with notable contributions to literature, art, music, and science. It is also home to many historic landmarks and UNESCO World Heritage Sites.